Namaskar dosto. Today is 29th March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty, review my trade and share my learning at the end of the video with MTM position. I'm back after 2 weeks. Yes, I was out on COVID. Me and my family was hit by it. Fortunately, we all are out and recovering well. So let's start my journey again. So before we get into market, let's first see how the global markets are looking. In 2 weeks, lots of things have happened. Nifty has moved from almost 15,300 to the bottom of 14,200, and let's see how the market is looking now. So when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 is definitely looks like it is consolidating at the top level and almost making an AMP pattern, which is something like this. Uh, it has touched last trading session at the top of the consolidation zone, and today we see that S&P is coming back. Now that's not a good sign for emerging market like India. Now, US government bond 10-year yield is currently at 1.69 and continuously rising up. So this is also not a good sign for emerging market and specifically Bank Nifty for India. The dollar index is also moving up. So out of all the three global Q, all the global Qs are there is US bond yield, US dollar index, and as well as S&P 500 are not showing a strong signal. Now, keeping that in mind, let's look into Lalaji. Now, Lalaji on weekly basis, last week it has closed below 8, above 20, above 50 and above 200. I'm sorry. So on weekly basis, it is definitely an uptrend, but definitely overstretch as market is at 14,500 now. At 50 bar moving average is at 12,000 and 200 bar moving average on weekly basis is at 11,180. On daily basis, Lalaji has closed on Friday below 20, below 50, below 8. So here also on daily basis, Lalaji is in downtrend. And now Lalaji has a very strong support because SGX is somewhere on top now at 14,500, which is a conjunction of many points, which is a monthly pivot, weekly pivot, as well as few magical lines. If you want to know about my trade setup, I use a very fairly trade setup, very easy trade setup. So if you want to know about them, then please check out my video called Trade Setup on my YouTube channel. Now, on weekly basis, market has a strong support at 14,500. If 14,500 is broken, then the next support is at 14,350. And if 350 is broken, then the next support is at 14,250. On top side, now market has a good resistance at 14,850, which is weekly R3 as well as 20 bar moving average. On 15-minute chart, market on Friday has closed just below 20, below 8, but above 50 and below 200. So here also market is in downtrend. Now currently the SGX is showing at 14,731, which is closer to R3, which is 14,741, which is also 50-day moving average on daily basis, which is 14,764. So for tomorrow, market will open somewhere above 200 on 15 minute, above R2 and somewhere between R2 and R3. So somewhere in this zone, I'm sorry. And idea for tomorrow is sell on rise. Sell on rise with a target of coming for its pivot, which is at 14,498, which is somewhere closer to 20 bar and 8 bar moving average. So on open, idea is to take a 15-minute downward movement, and if it's going up, then wait and see at the top when we see a price action on the reversal, go on sell on rise. Now for Bank Nifty on weekly basis, market Bank Nifty has closed above 20, below 8, and above 200. So here on weekly basis, Bank Nifty is definitely an uptrend. On daily basis, I'm sorry, Bank Nifty has closed below 20, below 50, below 8. So on daily basis, it is in downtrend. Now Bank Nifty has a strong resistance at 34,550 and then at 34,700, which is closer to 20 bar moving average, and yeah, closer to 50 bar moving average. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty is in has closed above 8, above 20, above 15, just below 200. So here Bank Nifty is in uptrend. So trade plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow is buy on dip somewhere closer to pivot, and pivot for Bank Nifty is at 33,585, which is closer to 20 bar and 8 bar moving average, and also closer to a magical blue line. So for tomorrow, the idea is that in the first half, take a shot on Nifty for with 14,500 PE for 1st of April, and for Bank Nifty, buy on dip with 34,100 or 33,700 CE for a 1st of April. So that's the trade plan. Short Nifty. What I will do is that I will just play two lot. First lot will be first entry with one lot, and then see if the trade moves on. Then I will add another lot on the Nifty first, on the which will be the first half trade, and then as soon as market will start reversing up, I will come out of the Nifty trade and jump on the Bank Nifty with buy on dip for a target of 33,700 or 33,850. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Wear mask, stay healthy. Jai Hind.